Hello guys, today I'm going to make a quick video about how to fix Assassin's Creed Unity that crashes about every 15 minutes. So I found this idea that I have to disable the touch input, but if I do that, the Windows search is going to stop working. So let's see. First I have to go to Text Manager, then Services, open Services, and need to find the touch, keyboard and handwriting. There's it. Then all I have to do is go to Properties, Disable, Stop, Apply, OK. Done. Now the game shouldn't disturb anymore, but the problem is you cannot access Windows search. Nothing's going to type here. So that's it. Like and subscribe to my channel.